guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload. Today's video, we are going to review and do a first impression for BombCityDips. I'm so happy that Shelly and Ashley were gracious enough to send me out some samples of their products. I've heard a lot of great things about this company and am super happy to do this review for you. I went ahead and swatched all of the colors for you ahead of time. They sent me 6 different colors and the colors are gorgeous, especially those glitters. I didn't have any problems with coverage. The glitters went on perfect. I'm using my Sparkle & Co. base and activator, which I love also. This is a really great dip liquid company that you can use if you're looking for a new set of dip liquids. I'm gonna pair this today with Risen Legacy's Princess. As always, I will leave all of the products I use today in the description box, and I will also leave the information for you to check out BombCityDips. They are really a great company. I have already added tips. My nails were really short and I just felt that I wanted to add some tips for some length. So I went ahead and prepped and did everything off camera. I will insert a video up here for you guys that you can check out that shows you how to apply tips and prep and file. I'll actually probably insert a couple of them. I have a couple of different videos that would work for you if you want to check that out. But we're just going to go through with a basic dip application. I'm just going to let y'all watch and I will check back with you in a little bit when I'm ready for top coat. Okay, and the moment that every nail tech loves is it's time for top coat. I love putting top coat over glitter. It just brings that glitter to life. Just a little recap on Bomb City. I really love their products. I have nothing bad to say about their products. They went on great. They worked really well with the sparkling coat, base, and activator. I'm using a gel top coat like I always use. It's the same one. I'll link it in the description box below. Again, the powders are super fine, and the coverage is just amazing with these products. They also have a Facebook group that is BombCityDips, which I highly recommend you going and checking out also. There's a lot of great inspiration on there from a lot of awesome ladies. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video, and I hope to have some more products for you from BombCityDips to show off. I have some exciting new videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you like this video, please just leave me a comment and make sure to hit the like button. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.